हे ब्यूटीज, वेलकम बैक टू अनदर वीडियो। आज का वीडियो हॉल वीडियो होने वाला है, जैसा आप टाइटल से पढ़ चुके हैं। एंड इट्स गोइंग टू बी अ हॉल ऑफ makeup items this time, like not foundation, blushes or concealers or anything like that, but just a lot of lip products. I purchased lipsticks, lip glosses and even lip balms. A lot of them I saw quite a lot on Instagram, so you can say kind of Instagram made me buy those. Then I have some skincare, of course, items. So I hope that you enjoy this haul, and without further ado, let's get started. So start करते हैं इस product से. This is the Foxtail the Stunner Skin Radiance Mask, which cleans pores and reduces blackheads, improves clarity. And this is a very viral, like that purple mask जो आपने Instagram पे देखा होगा. You know. It comes in a tub like this. Like a purple color tub, और इसको मैं एक दो बार यूज करके देख चुकी हूँ. एक बार एक्चुअली यूज किया हुआ है. That's what this mask looks like. It's a beautiful purple color mask, quite fragrant as well. और हाँ, जो मैंने एक बार इसे यूज किया है, इट्स क्वाइट गुड. आई विल से 2-3 बार और यूज करने के बाद मैं इसका रिव्यू आपके लिए जरूर लेके आऊंगी. देन फ्रॉम हाइफिन्स वेबसाइट आई पिक्ड अप 3 प्रोडक्ट्स एट द प्राइस ऑफ 1150. दिस आई रिमेंबर क्लियरली बिकॉज देयर वाज एन ऑफर रनिंग. तो 1150 में मुझे इनका 3 प्रोडक्ट्स मिले. ये 2 प्रोडक्ट और तीसरा है ये वाला. दिस इज द हाइफिन हाइड्रेटिंग सेरामाइड क्लेंजर. आपने ये भी बहुत इंस्टाग्राम पे वायरल हो रहा है. You would have seen that Korean skin वाला milk based toner. This is what that is. तो एक ये लिया. दूसरा मैंने लिया डबल शॉट रेडियंस लिफ्ट सीरम. ये भी आपने सारा ही एक्चुअली सोशल मीडिया पे देखा होगा, बिकॉज मैंने ये सब सोशल मीडिया में ही देख के खरीदे हैं. सो दिस इज दैट डबल वाला टोनर. यू कैन सी it has oil and water, तो you mix it well before you start using it. मैंने इसे अभी यूज करना स्टार्ट नहीं किया है, but once I will start using it, I will when I at least reach halfway through, I will let you know the review of this as well. तो ये दूसरा प्रोडक्ट था. और तीसरा है ये आइस डंक फेस मास्क. ये सभी इनके न्यू लॉन्चेस भी हैं, if I am right. और आइस डंक फेस मास्क मैंने यूज करना भी स्टार्ट नहीं किया. इट इज स्टिल इन इट्स प्लास्टिक रैपर. आई कैन नॉट वेट टू यूज इट, बट आई एम थिंकिंग ऑफ मे बी डूइंग अ फर्स्ट इंप्रेशंस ऑफ दिस विथ यू ऑल, सो दैट आप मेरा रिएक्शन और जो भी मेरा फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन है वो देख सको. सो लेट्स सी हाउ इट गोज. द नेक्स्ट टू आर these are the M Caffeine perfume body lotions, and I got them in these 2 variants. Again from M Caffeine's website, I got them at buy one get one offer. So this is the Summer Breeze perfume body lotion, and this one is the Sweet Escape perfume body lotion. ये वाला मैं यूज करना स्टार्ट कर चुकी हूँ, एंड आई एम गोइंग टू गिव अ रिव्यू ऑफ दिस वेरी सून. दिस वन इज नॉट येट यूज, लाइक आई ट्राइड इट वंस, लेकिन हाँ मैंने इसे यूज नहीं किया है. बट येस, द रिव्यू ऑफ दीज विल कम टुगेदर, बिकॉज एक वीडियो अलग अलग बनाने का मतलब नहीं बनता है. सो इन अ कपल ऑफ वीक्स आई लेट यू नो अबाउट दीज बॉडी लोशंस, हाउ दे आर, and whatever they claim, is it true or not. So whenever brands run buy one get one offer, I urge you to go and get those your favorite products on those offers, because I think they are the best deal for your money. Next up, I picked up 2 fragrances from Aqualogica, और इनका रिव्यू आप देख भी चुके होंगे चैनल पे. It's up now. और अगर आपने नहीं देखा है तो इस हॉल वीडियो के पहले वाला जो वीडियो है, that is a review of these fragrances. These are the Refresh Cherry Blossom Bloom and the Refresh Midnight Bloom variants of the perfume body mists. और इनके प्राइस वैसे तो 499 है, लेकिन मैंने इन्हें Amazon से लिया था आई थिंक, एंड द प्राइस आई पेड वाज 373 रुपीज ईच. बट अगेन Aqualogica also runs offers of buy one get one. तो अगर आपको buy one get one पे ये मिलते हैं, then that is an amazing deal to have. And skincare hair care में last is the serum. This is the Bare Anatomy Vitamin E and Argan Oil Anti-Frizz Hair Serum, and this is what it looks like. This is a 330 रुपीज की 75 ml का हेयर सीरम है, एंड इट लुक्स लाइक दिस. ये मैंने थोड़ा थोड़ा यूज करना स्टार्ट कर दिया है. Just like any other serum, nothing great about it, but yeah, that's the serum I got. So that was all of my skincare hair care haul. Now let's move on to makeup haul, which I am super excited about. Alright, तो पहला मैंने एक compact लिया. This is from Nykaa. This is their all day matte compact powder, and I picked up the shade beige. So it comes with a puff like this, which is not that great honestly. बहुत hard है. I don't feel so comfortable using this, so मैं इसे use नहीं करती हूँ. एक आध बार ही use किया हुआ है. It comes with a mirror as well, and then this is the shade beige. Next up, I picked up 2 lip balms. These are the Stays lip balms, Stays 929 lip gloss balms. They have in multiple colors, but the 2 shades I picked up are 02 Lush Berry and 05 Double Espresso. और ये भी मैंने इंस्टाग्राम पे इसके काफ़ी रील्स वगैरह देख रही थी, तो आई काइंड ऑफ लाइक द वे दीज लिप बाम्स आर सुपर पिगमेंटेड एंड वेरी मॉइस्चराइजिंग एंड द वे दे ऑपरेट. सो आई एम गोइंग टू स्वॉच दीज टू लिप बाम्स फॉर यू. वन इज द शेड लश बेरी, और ये इस तरह से आता है. ये comes in a pen format. That's the swatch, Lush Berry. जो इसकी फ्रेग्रेंस है वो बेरी वाली ही फ्रेग्रेंस आएगी आपको. तो हाँ, फ्रेग्रेंस तो इन बाम्स में यूज है, एंड दे आर वेरी वेरी मॉइस्चराइजिंग. यू गाइज, यू सी द अमाउंट ऑफ शाइन एंड इट्स ऑलमोस्ट लाइक अ ग्लॉस. इट डजंट इवन लुक लाइक अ balm. That's why they call it the gloss balm. But that's Lush Berry and double espresso, you guys. Oh my god, this smells like coffee. It literally smells like coffee. It smells like Bath and Body Works Paris Cafe candle, and if you know how much I love that candle, you know me too well. This is double espresso. It's a rich chocolate color, and the fragrance, oh my god, smells amazing. So yeah, these are the two shades I got, Lush Berry and double espresso, and इनका price 339 के मुझे मिले. MRP I think 350 या कुछ है. Then I bought 3 lipsticks from L'Oreal. This is from their cream L'Oreal Satin Cream collection, something like that. These are the 3 shades I got. Number 112 Paris, number 570 Worth It Intense, and number 601 Worth It. तो ये 3 मैंने लिए. I'm going to swatch these for you. ये वाली तो आते ही टूट गई, तो इसका बुलेट जो है वो खराब हो गया. बट दिस इज द शेड वर्थ इट, नंबर 601, and it's a beautiful nude pink with peach tones to it. Beautiful color just on its own as a blush, because I used it as a blush also, and over any dark lipstick that you want to tone down a bit, this is a very good color. And I think on fair skins this will be a perfect nude color. So yeah, this is worth it. Love this shade, and they're super moisturizing, you guys. They are very very pigmented and super moisturizing, like lips pe they glide on like butter. The next one is 570 Worth It Intense, which is a rich dark chocolate color. देखिए वो बुलेट ऐसी थी, वो Worth It की भी ऐसी बुलेट थी, लेकिन ये गिर गया, तो ये टॉप जो है उसका I had to cut it and throw. But yeah, that is Worth It Intense. Again, super moisturizing, like just wow. Just look at the sheen these lipsticks have. This one is Worth It Intense. Beautiful, deep, rich chocolate color. And their fragrance is still the same जो आज से 10-12 साल पहले होता था. Same fragrance they have. And the last from this range is this number 112, which is called Paris, which is this beautiful vibrant pink with like purple tones to it. This one is one of the best pinks. Like it instantly will brighten up your face. आपको makeup की भी जरूरत नहीं है, honestly. This is the shade Paris. Just see how beautiful this shade is. Next up मैंने René की Prime Matte range में से 2 lipsticks ली. The first one is called Rustic Red, and the second one is called Vintage Rose. Rustic Red is supposed to be like a close dupe of MAC Ruby Woo. This is how the bullets look like. So this here is Rustic Red. और इसका मैंने अभी short YouTube पे shorts डाला है swatch का. And this one is called Vintage Rose. तो इनका sticker यहाँ नीचे है. This is Vintage Rose, a beautiful mid-tone brown color. Again, looks very 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 beautiful. It's like your daily wear brown for light, medium, dark skin tones. Beautiful brown color, very moisturizing. Even though they are like matte lipsticks, they are very moisturizing. And then this one is called Rustic Red, which is this stunning blue based red. Like just look at that shade, and go check out my YouTube Shorts video to see the swatch of this one. That's how the shade Rustic Red looks like. Very 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 close dupe of MAC Ruby Woo. और जो ये वाला shade है Vintage Rose is supposedly a very close dupe of Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk medium shade. I got another lipstick from Swiss Beauty. This is the Swiss Beauty Pure Matte lipstick, and the shade is called Hazelnut. Again, a beautiful brown color lipstick. That's how the bullet looks. You see how gorgeous that bullet is? It's like this velvet, like matte bullet with Swiss Beauty written. And this is the shade Hazelnut. Very, very beautiful brown color. Again, I'm going to swatch this as well for you. So this is the swatch of Hazelnut. Very pretty, again, everyday wear brown. Doesn't have a fragrance as such. So yeah, that's hazelnut. Beautiful brown shade. Love it. Next up, from House of Makeup, which is an indie brand, I got this gloss called Hot Glossip, which is non-sticky high shine gloss with hyaluronic acid, vitamin E and natural oils. And the shade I got is What's the Tea, and that's the gloss I have on my lips right now. And I'm going to show you the lip combination also that I'm wearing today. So this is how the gloss looks, and the shade is called What's the Tea. I don't think you can read it down here, but yeah, that's the gloss. And it's this beautiful like pinky brown gloss, and yeah, it is absolutely non-sticky. It's super light. Like abhi maine lips pe laga rakha hai, but I can't even tell that I have something on my lips. It is so comfortable. Where do I swatch this? Okay, that's the swatch. What's the Tea? You can see how it's a beautiful like a pinky brown color, great for everyday wear. If you just want to have some nude lips and some neutral lips with heavy smoky eyes, just a gloss to go with, this is a great shade. What's the Tea? I got another gloss from Neela Beauty. This is the Gloss Girl Fuller Lip Effect Extra Hydration with Hyaluronic Acid Gloss, and the shade here is That's Me, number 06. And again, this is a beautiful everyday wear, like a light pink color, mauvey pink color. That's how the gloss looks. And just look at the packaging, you guys. Ye pura glass hai. This is full glass. This is not plastic. Even the cap is glass. This is hands down the best packaged lip gloss that I own, or I have seen at least, especially for the price point that it comes in. It is super affordable. I think 250 के नीचे मुझे ये पड़ा था, if I'm not wrong. ऐसे wand में आता है, पतला सा wand है इसका. This is a nice, you can say, everyday wear pink color. Then I got two lip liners from Swiss Beauty, and both the lip liners are same shade, you guys, because Amazon पे मुझे minimum quantity 2 लेनी पड़ी, क्योंकि each of these lip liners is 66 rupees. The shade I got is burgundy. I took is burgundy, and this is the lip liner. That's how the shade looks. This is the lip liner that I am currently wearing. Beautiful, like a deep dark burgundy with hints of brown in it. Really beautiful shade. And this is what lip liner I have on my lips underneath my lipstick, which I will show you. So yeah, these are the two lip liners I got, and I don't mind having the same shade because yeah, this lip liner can go practically over any brown color lipstick. And the lipstick that I'm wearing on my lips is from Lakme 925. This is their Lip and Cheek Mousse. I think इनका packaging बदला है. The shade I got is Nude Cushion. That's the shade. और जो lipstick है या lip mousse है, ये ऐसा दिखता है. They have changed the packaging obviously, because पहले ये थोड़ा like nude color में peachy pink color का ही आता था, but now it is all golden. And this is what all I have on my lips. So I have this Swiss Beauty lip liner, this Lip and Cheek Mousse, and the House of Makeup gloss, What's the Tea, on my lips today. And you can see this is how the combination looks. It's great everyday wear combination, like a neutral lip agar aapko chahiye, then this is a combination you should go for. And the last lipstick that I have to show you is from Nykaa. This is their Matte to Last Bullet lipsticks. Now back in the day when they launched their liquid lipsticks, मैंने अपने channel पे उन lipstick का swatch as well as review किया हुआ है. And so when they launched those shades in the bullet form, I had to get, because bullet lipsticks are love. You know, I love liquid lipsticks, but the experience of using a bullet lipstick is completely different. You know, the experience of just rolling the lipstick out, putting it back in, and the cap that clicks like this, it is unparalleled, literally. इसलिए मेरे bullet lipsticks का प्यार तो कभी खत्म नहीं होने वाला, and I hope they never, you know, end the bullet lipsticks. So the shade I got is Madras Cafe, which I don't own, or I didn't own in the liquid lipstick format. So yeah, this is Madras Cafe. Again, a beautiful, like a mauve, a brown color. That is Madras Cafe. It's a beautiful brown color shade, very similar to the Vintage Rose, but this is a little more warm tone than a Vintage Rose from Swiss Beauty. I think they are priced at $5.99, लेकिन जब भी Nykaa offers run करे तो आप इसे कम prices पे भी ले सकते हैं. And last, I got two kohls or eyeliners. This one is from Maybelline. This is their Tattoo Studio Kajal in the shade 983 Metallic Nights, जो मैंने खोला नहीं है अभी. Yeah, that's the shade. But it's like this beautiful black metallic Eye Kohl, and this one is Lakme 925 Iconics Kohl Fashionista Collection Iconic Kohl in Sparkling Black. And this is the one that I have on my upper lash line. You can see, I mean, this is my second one. I've already have one, but I loved this shade so much. I said before they sell it out or they discontinue it for some strange reason, which happens a lot around here, let me get a backup, and that's why I got this. But this is what I'm having on my lash line. It's got that sparkling effect, so it's, you know, for those not much heavy makeup days, this kind of look is perfect. I just matched it with a metallically brown eyeshadow, but even if you don't do that, the eye look looks very good. So this is the next one I got. And finally, to end my haul, I have two products, again eye products from Swiss Beauty to show you. The first one is the Swiss Beauty Jet Black Liquid Long Lasting Eyeliner, and the shade is black. And the next one is Swiss Beauty Precision Mascara, which is again in the shade black. And mascara also I have worn on my eyes. Honestly, मुझे mascara उतना अच्छा नहीं लगा because I have very scanty lashes, so I need mascaras that give some volume. This one doesn't do. This is the mascara, how it looks. This mascara doesn't give a lot of volume. In fact, it doesn't give any volume to my lashes. So it doesn't make them look fuller or anything like that. Plus इसके 3 से 4 applications चाहिए to even make it look on my lashes. And then the eyeliner is just fine. It's just a liquid eyeliner, honestly. That's how the packaging looks of the liquid liner. So yeah, this is just your normal liquid liner. It's not matte. It's not a matte liquid liner. It does have gloss on it, so it looks like glossy on your eyes, which is good. If you need a matte liquid liner, then this one is not it. You have, I think they may have a different matte finish liquid liner. And so with that, this haul video comes to an end. I really hope आप सबको ये video अच्छा लगा हो, और इनमें से कुछ products के review मैं आपके लिए ज़रूर लेके आऊँगी. That's one of the reasons I keep buying new products, so that I can, you know, make reviews on them and I can review it on my channel for you all. And yeah, so that's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for taking out the time to watch this video. I will see you again in my next video. Till then, all of you take care, and I hope you have a great week ahead. Bye bye.